I used to live paycheck to paycheck, and I got sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck. And the crazy thing is I have a really good job. Do you know what happened? Expensive grocery bills, expensive gas. If I want to travel, things are like double the price. If I want to go out to dinner, it's extremely expensive. I couldn't imagine having a whole bunch of little kids running around me trying to feed them. I would have to get a second job. But I got smarter than that. I actually learned how to make money online. And guys, all you need is a cell phone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and the willingness to. So those days of living paycheck to paycheck are completely gone for me, because I'm actually earning money online by simply doing videos like this and running my business and creating multiple streams of income. A lot of people thought it wouldn't work, but I was determined to be successful. And you would truly fall off your rocker if you knew how much I've made since January of 2023. It like blows my mind. So if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck, even though you have a great job and you don't want to go out and get a second job and leave your family for more time, because this is about time freedom, guys. This is about time freedom and obviously financial freedom. I could have had a million excuses of not to start. Actually, a million excuses ran through my head. Like, I didn't want to show up here on camera. I didn't like the way I looked. Maybe somebody would judge me. Maybe I would fail. But I was like, nope, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to give it my best shot and see what happens. And guys, game changer. I am no longer living paycheck to paycheck because of this amazing business that I'm doing here online that I share with you guys all the time. Save this video, share this video, and follow me so you can learn exactly what you need to do to start your business online. If you're ready to start, just check out my stand store.